technological support is crucial to knowledge management. We want to choose technology that makes it easy for employees to participate. Some options can be integrated within a company's existing network, while others stand alone and must be accessed separately. Some options provide a lot of features, while others are more basic. Technology doesn't always have to be expensive. Employees can use the company's existing intranet, email, or even social media sites to share information with others. Another option is to implement an electronic performance support system that can provide on-demand access to courses, materials, and trainers. These systems can be used to reinforce what trainees are learning through face-to-face and online learning. We can also create an online library of learning resources, publish directories of what employees do, how they can be contacted, and what expertise they have. Develop informational maps that identify where specific knowledge is stored in the company.